Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to play and win, and the white pawn is moving forward in this direction and black pawn is moving downward in this direction. And though it's white to play and win, white must find the only winning move, otherwise this is going to be just a draw. So you can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So now we have a passed pawn and it's our turn to move actually. And if we play a random bishop move to just make the bishop move away from the pawn's way and promote the pawn, we can do that, right? So we can play bishop to d5, and when black moves away, we can actually make a queen and black wouldn't get that much time, and we are going to get to the pawn and win the game. However, this is not the correct move, and this is just a blind move, because now what black can do is black can play bishop to g6 and it's a check. We have to move the king, and now black got a time, right? So when we promote our queen, black would promote its queen, and black has already gained a tempo, meaning black moves away the bishop with check, and that doesn't count for black, right? Since we are only allowed to move the king, that would make us waste a move, and that from that black would take advantage, right? So moving the bishop away doesn't work, right? We can move the bishop away and promote, but like I said, it's just going to be a draw. But we have to put the bishop in a specific way and to actually to create a threat and win the game. And that move is bishop to h1. So what is it actually? Well, now black can do the same thing, right? And get to c2, but we can actually promote to a queen. And notice now black cannot promote the pawn to a queen, because we are immediately threatening checkmate on g2, right? So the idea is, first we are going to play bishop to h1, and obviously I didn't mention capturing the bishop, because that is going to be just very easy for us. We are going to promote to a queen that comes with check, and when black moves, all we have to do is simply give a check and win this pawn, right? So we are going to win this pawn really easily, and that's going to be very easy. But if black ignores the sacrifice, we are, for example, if black ignores the sacrifice and play bishop to g3 or bishop to a4, we are going to get a queen, and that comes with a checkmate threat on g2. And of course we are going to deliver checkmate if black ignores the checkmate threat and promote to a queen. So what other options does black have? Well, black can move away with the king, but we are going to get to the pawn like this, and on the next move we are going to get to the pawn and win the pawn and the game. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So guys, if you solve the solution, congratulations. Let me know in the comment if you solve it. I'll see you in the next video.